1,000 subscribers. Now, to most people out there on YouTube, 1,000 subscribers is still a very small channel, and there may be some truth to that. But to me, this is a very big milestone, and I just wanted to make this video to thank you guys for helping to make it happen. I really love smartphones and technology and making videos to try to strike a balance between entertainment and information. My goal, as always, has been to be fully transparent and honest. Mention things in my reviews that I think are worth mentioning, that I haven't seen mentioned in other reviews. Now, some of my early subscribers that have been with the channel for quite some time now will probably remember some of my earlier content. I mean, I tried everything from like daily vlogs to I think at one point I was making like Minecraft Pocket Edition videos. And when Omegle, all right, so for those of you who remember Omegle, at one point I was doing, recording with OBS on my computer and going on Omegle and just getting reactions from people. I mean, I have done everything under the sun. But starting in early 2023, that is when I told myself, you know what, I want to get serious about YouTube. I want to do a video a week and just see where this goes. And right at a year later, this channel has nearly tripled in size. So even though some people out there will see it as 1,000 subscribers is still a very small channel, and it kind of is, but I try to look at it in the sense of it's tripled in size. I'm not really a numbers guy. That is really the only number I've paid attention to. I don't think it's a good thing for anybody, especially on YouTube, to go into the creator studio and look at all these numbers, like demographics, average view duration. Just stick to making content the way you think it should be made and be consistent. Don't set your goals too high. You have to set your goals within reach. Now, of course, when you're growing a channel like this, not everything you make is going to be, an absolute hit. For me, with my OnePlus 12 review, I got very fortunate in that it just absolutely, for the size of my channel, I would say it went viral. 35,000 views. That is a lot of eyeballs on my channel. So very fortunate with that review. I know that that's not something that can happen with every video. But again, this is about something I love to do. I love smartphones. One of my dearest friends, John, who is a subscriber and a big supporter of this channel, can attest to my passion for smartphones. We spend a lot of time on the phone behind the scenes talking about and getting nerdily, right? Is that a word? Nerdily excited about the next smartphone. I can remember talking to him about my excitement for the OnePlus 13, and that's just how it goes. When you're into something like this, when you're really passionate about it, you get into the nitty-gritty. Last week, I had a pretty big realization with making content, and I already kind of knew that I really enjoyed making content. I had an even bigger realization where in one day, I think in the span of maybe like a 12 to 16 hour span, I videoed, edited, and uploaded 3 videos. And yes, my body got tired, right? When you're doing stuff, your body gets tired, but my mind stayed energized. It's like if you're watching a movie and it just reels you in, it just hooks you from the beginning. That's the energy that I had when I made all of those videos. So that's the first big realization I had of like, wow, I really freaking love doing this. And the most rewarding part is you guys. I know it sounds cliche. You hear it from creators all over YouTube, but it's the honest truth. I have had comments and support from people all over the world, and that is truly like, it's really heartwarming. And I think it's just this wonderful thing of people coming together over something they love as much as I do. They want information, and for me to be able to provide that information as honestly as possible, I take my integrity, that's my top priority with this channel, and it always will be. My integrity is everything. My goal will always to be fully transparent, honest. I want to keep my video format somewhat the same. You know, like my commentary and the way I speak, I want to keep that the same. Maybe as the channel grows, you know, you invest more into your channel, equipment, like cameras, microphones, lighting, right? That's just how it goes. As something grows, you keep putting money into it, you know, you keep investing in it as long as it's sustainable. But I wanted to make this video to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I know to some it's kind of a cliche video, and maybe it is, but I just wanted to put my feelings out there, let you guys know that your support means a tremendous amount to me. And if you haven't seen the picture on the community tab, by the way, keep an eye on the community tab, because that is where I kind of post things that aren't exactly worthy of making a video on. But I posted a picture, okay, that included these two devices, right? You guys know what these are. This is like the typical thumbnail right here. It's like, but anyway, OnePlus 12, OnePlus 13. Let me just, because I'm excited about it, let me give you guys a hint, okay? Let me make sure. Here we go, okay? There's your hint. So, pretty excited about that one. I am waiting to review that one because my focus right now is on the OnePlus 13, and I don't want to have, you know, I don't want the review of either device, whether it's the OnePlus 13 or the device you guys just saw. I don't want either review to be tainted by me using the other device simultaneously, right? I hope that makes sense. So my focus right now is on the OnePlus 13. So stay tuned to the channel. I have a video coming out on the 24th, so that is a few days from now, and another one at the end of the month. You know, I don't really have any particular subscriber count that I want to reach this year. It's just to remain consistent and authentic. That's my two goals. That's it. But hey, I really appreciate you guys watching. Hit the thumbs up button on your way out. Of course, subscribe as always. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.